Good afternoon. Welcome back to Watercolor Painting in the Afternoon. You may recognize this painting. I did it yesterday. I was not satisfied with it. I woke up this morning and said, I'm going to do some more. So I sat down with it and I started putting some more detail in, some more negative painting, a little bit deeper color, more, more branches, more tree trunks. And, I just wasn't quite satisfied. And the reason I'm showing you this today, very quickly, showing it to you, is because I hope to encourage you to not give up on your painting. If you've got a painting you're not quite satisfied with and you can do more to it, by all means, get up the next day, take a look at it, and do some more. Enjoy the process. It doesn't have to be done yesterday. It doesn't have to be done today. If I want to, I'll get up tomorrow and I'll put something else in it. But for now, I think I'm pretty satisfied. This painting was, of course, a part of Steve Mitchell's course, and I left you that link to his free course on the last video, so I won't do that again. But yeah, it was a lot of fun, but I just wasn't finished. So I hope that you'll enjoy the rest of this video. It's pretty short. And if you have a painting that you're not quite satisfied with, by all means, pick it up and mess around with it. See what happens. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.